it's like, come on, like just do a bunch. Yeah. Hey, I'm Mike, and this is my BigBmx. I got the Sunday Model C frame. I like this frame a lot because it has a gusset on the down tube there, and it also has a longer top tube. It's got a 22-inch top tube, so it's a little bit longer, a little bit more space for me. Also got the Sunday 24-inch fork, Dakota Roche pegs, 475, Odyssey hazard light rims laced to these Eclat Cortex hubs, and I've had them for like 5+ years, and they're just like still going strong. I chew them up every once in a while, but these rims are literally indestructible. I'm running S&M track mark tires. They're old G-Sport hub guards that you zip tie onto your wheel, and I ground out the inside of it so they could fit over the Cortex hub guard. So I have like this dual hub guard setup, which is sick because I always used to break my spokes when I do like 180s into double pegs or something. So these are awesome, and they've lasted forever. So definitely hyped on that. I'm running the S&M top load stem. It's probably one of my favorite pieces on the bike. I hooked up to some Haro handlebars that are 9 inches high and probably cut down to about 27.5 inches wide. We got some Odyssey grips with Odyssey bar ends. Probably the best bar ends you could ever get. I got the Cult Chase Hawk cranks. They're like the strongest cranks I've ever had. They have like this crazy gusset over the back where the spindle goes. Like super strong cranks. I've had these for quite some time as well. Some Merit pedals. This Shadow Conspiracy V3 half-link chain. I think super strong, really good chain. The same deal on the back, the Eclat Cortex Free Coaster hub with the Odyssey hazard light rim and S&M tires. I just want to say thanks for the support in the comments and anyone who subscribed. It gets me pretty stoked when you guys comment and you're hyped on whatever I'm putting out. Yeah, and that's my BigBmx.